If you've ever opened an email in Outlook and thought, why is this text so tiny? You're not alone. Thousands of users struggle with small, hard to read email text. The good news? In this full guide, I'll show you exactly how to make emails on Outlook bigger, fast, simple, and beginner friendly. Stick with me till the end so you never have to squint at an email again. Before we start adjusting settings, make sure you're logged into Outlook. Open an updated browser like Chrome, Firefox, or Edge to avoid glitches, then head over to the Microsoft 365 Outlook login page. Enter your email and password carefully. Outlook is case sensitive, so double check everything. You'll also see the Stay Signed In option. Select Yes only if you're on a private device. If you're on a shared or public computer, definitely choose No. Once you're in your Outlook dashboard, go to the Mail section and open any email. Close any banners or pop-ups so you can clearly see the toolbar. At the top of the open email, you'll find the View tab. This is where the magic happens. In the View tab, look for the Zoom option. Click on it, and you'll see a list of preset zoom levels. If your emails feel too small, try bumping it up to around 125%. That's the sweet spot for most people. After choosing your preferred size, hit OK. Instantly, your email text becomes larger and so much easier to read. Now, a quick but important note. This zoom change applies only to the specific email you have. Open Outlook doesn't currently apply zoom settings globally, so you may need to adjust zoom again when you open a new email. If you want a more permanent solution, consider exploring Outlook's accessibility settings or browser-level zoom extensions that apply to all pages automatically. And that's it. A quick and clear way to make your Outlook emails bigger in just a few clicks. If this guide helped you, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.